TFC Tandoori Fried Chicken. Crispy fried chicken wings bathed in a luscious tandoori masala sauce. It's time to take your chicken wings to the next level, and perhaps even make the colonel a tad envious. Welcome back to Burmawala Kitchen. First things first, let's start by marinating 1 kilogram of chicken wings, flats if you please. Add 2 teaspoons each of salt, Kashmiri chili powder, black pepper powder, tandoori powder, a teaspoon of MSG, the magical flavor booster, and a tablespoon each of garlic and ginger powder. If you could kindly mind the background noise, please. The summer holidays are here and neighbours are out. The few glorious British summer days we get. Give it a good mix. Really let those spices get to know the chicken. Now add in half a cup of yogurt, another quick mix, and let it marinate for 3 hours, or even better, overnight. Patience, good things come to those who wait. Now, in a container with a lid, add 1 cup of plain flour and 1 cup of corn flour. Let's season it with a teaspoon each of salt, black pepper powder and tandoori powder. Mix the flour and seasonings up. Time to add our wings. A little aggressive there. Extra cleanup for me. A bit of flour chaos adds to the fun. Gentler this time. Pop all the wings into the container, add the lid, and give it a good old shake. This is hands down the best way to get an even coating. I want a very thin layer of batter for the wings in this recipe, so I won't be double dipping them. If you prefer a thicker layer, give the wings a quick dip in cold water and then back into our flour mixture. Look how beautifully coated they are. Time to fry. Add oil to a frying pot and bring it to 180 degrees. A quick way to check if the oil is ready is to add a wooden spoon to the oil and see it start bubbling. In go our wings. My pot is a bit small, so I'll fry them in 3 batches. We don't want to overcrowd them. Once the wings are in, I don't touch them at all. It should take about 9 minutes for them to be fully cooked. Time to take them out. Look how golden and crunchy they look. Positively scrumptious. We could eat them just like this, but we're not done yet. Now it's time for the tandoori sauce. In a pan, melt 125 grams of butter. Quite a rich dish, isn't it? Add in 1 tablespoon each of tandoori powder and Kashmiri red chilies. See that brilliant bright red color? Add in 1 cup of tomato ketchup and give it a good mix. Slide in our wings and give them a thorough coating. There you have it. Our tandoori fried chicken wings are ready, and they're absolutely wonderful. Top it all off with a generous handful of finely chopped coriander for a nice, refreshing touch. These wings are crunchy, saucy, and spicy all in one. What more could you want from wings? Pair these beauties with some homemade French fries on the side, and you've got yourself a full meal. No need for KFC here, folks. It's TFC all the way. Thank you for joining me once more. Happy cooking.